Welcome back to another Crypto Jet video. Everybody, I'm glad you're here again. We're talking about ANKR today, and these guys have RPCs set up on 8 of the largest blockchains in the world. Well, maybe not the largest since Ethereum isn't here, but you still have, actually Ethereum is here, I'm just dumb. But essentially what an RPC is something that relays information from one aspect to another. Now it's very complicated to understand, especially for people who are new into the crypto verse, but if you do want to understand it at some point, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel down below, because I do explain concepts such as these throughout the eternity of time. So ever since I started out on this channel, I have been explaining concepts over and over again. So I guarantee you, if you watch 5 videos in a row, you will know so much more about cryptocurrencies than you currently do. So to start off the video, and before we get deeper into the ANKR protocol, let's talk about a little market wrap. So Bitcoin and altcoins dipped amid the Russia and Ukraine uncertainty. Essentially what that caused is exposed a lot of traders to risk. Everybody was like, okay, I'm out of here, I don't want to be risking on this. And essentially the stock market sort of fell down. Bitcoin, Ethereum fell down as well. Altcoins fell down. Pretty much everything fell down except for oil, where oil is actually creating new highs very recently. So I'm going to show you this because I do track forex pairs as well. If that maybe interests you, comment down below to learn more. But oil on the daily time frame, as you can see, is quite bullish, right? We've been on a rampage ever since December of 2021, and we're still moving bullish, closing the past day in this hugely bullish candle. And you can see it even in the lower time frames. We have a significant zone of support down here. Why am I talking about oil? Because it is very significant. As the fears of Ukraine, or actually Russia invading Ukraine, increase, oil's price will increase as well. Very simple, and it's a good sort of a connection that you need to make in the crypto world and in the real world as well. Now today we're talking about ANKR protocol. It is quite a small coin on the market. Judging by market cap, it's around the $1 billion mark. Actually a lot less at this point. Wow, $550 million. It's 108th coin on the market. And essentially what it does is it's a multi-chain foundation for the crypto economy. So these guys are providing decentralized Web3 solutions for a lot of different things. So as you can see, you're able to build Web3 products with an instant ANKR RPC protocol. You can learn more about it pressing on this button, or if you just head on over to Crypto Jet and find out some of the previous ANKR videos, right? It's a multi-chain foundation, very simple, and it's the only platform that combines node infrastructure, staking, and DeFi all in one, right? Absolutely crazy. It sort of connects you with places where you're able to earn a higher rate of return over traditional staking chains. It's your portal to build on, Web3 if you're a developer. If you're an investor, obviously you want to earn more. It operates the most fundamental platform in blockchain technology, distributing a lot of the things that Web3 protocols are lacking these days, which is staking and access to a lot of different staking pools on different chains, making it a one-stop shop for earning money, if you want to call it like that. So you can see a lot of different partners right here. You can meet ANKR. You can see how many things they've actually done in the future. Already $1 billion+ transactions in dollar worth was done per month until now. So quite huge. You can see a few of the different blockchain networks, so more specifically DeFi networks that have benefited from ANKR solutions, and they are a passionate global community. Now, before we get into the technicals of ANKR itself, and I'm just going to type ANKR USDT on my trading view, we are actually going to discuss I don't know why this isn't loading, but we're going to discuss the tweet of the day, which is billionaire Charlie Munger saying that he's not proud for investing in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin says literally nobody cares. Well, when an investor says something like this, it's just so stupid. It just comes across as so stupid, because if he had invested into Bitcoin, he would have times-4'd all of his money. And I bet that, a times-4 in traditional investing is quite a large increase. So I'm not even sure why he said this. I guess he's just trying to hype himself or something, but it's it's not necessarily a stupid decision if it's not by his strategy. Maybe he was just playing it safe, which is completely fine. But proud for not investing? No, I'm not proud. The only thing I'm just regretting not investing more into cryptocurrencies, if you're asking me. But then again, I'm not a billionaire investor, so who cares about my opinion? So when it comes to ANKR right here, we can see that in the long run, right, looking at the very high, see, we have a trend line that was actually broken out of. Now, I spotted this on the weekly time frame, and as you can see right here, on the weekly time frame, it is quite a bearish situation. So we do have somewhat of a double top that formed. We do have a trend line that was broken out of, and currently we are sitting on a very strong zone of support. But you know, it just all depends what happens here, because if we do break towards the bottom side of this support level, so if we break down below this level, it's going to be very bearish, right? The next zone of support is going to be somewhere around the $0.2 level, so right here. But there is a chance that we do actually hold this support, because as you can see, it is very strong. And if we do end up creating somewhat of a double bottom or something, that would be a perfect reversal pattern for us to continue moving towards more upside. So that's pretty much it when it comes to ANKR. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out the tweet of the day. Charlie Munger, huge billionaire, quite an idiotic statement, if I may say myself. But we had a little market wrap. We talked about ANKR protocol. That's pretty much it. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.